what do you think about Claude Code in comparison to OpenClaw? So Claude Code and maybe the Codex coding agent. Do you see them as kind of competitors?
I mean, first of all, competitor is fun when it's not really a competition.
Yeah.
Like, I'm happy if all it did is like inspire people to build something new, cool. I still use Codex for the building. I know a lot of people use OpenClaw to build stuff, and I worked hard on it to make that work. And I do smaller stuff with it in terms of code. But like if I work hours and hours, I want a big screen, not WhatsApp, you know? So for me, a personal agent is much more about my life, or like a coworker. Like I give it like a GitHub URL, like, hey, try out this CLI. Does it actually work? What can we learn? Blah, blah, blah. But when I'm deep in the flow, I want to have multiple things and it being very, very visible what it does. So I don't see it as a competition. It's different things.
But do you think there's a future where the two kind of combine? Like your personal agent is also your best developing co-programmer partner.
Yeah, totally. I think this is where the puck's going, that this is going to be more and more your operating system.
The operating system.
And it already is so funny. Like I added support for sub agents and also for TTI support. So you could actually run Claude Code or Codex.
Mm-hmm.
And because mine's a little bit bossy, it started it and it told him like, who's the boss basically? And it's like, Codex is obeying me.
Wow, there's a power struggle.
And also the current interface is probably not the final form. Like if you think more globally, we copied Google for agents. You have like a prompt and then you have a chat interface. That to me very much feels like when we first created television and then people recorded radio shows on television and you saw that on TV.
Mm-hmm.
I think there's better ways how we eventually will communicate with models. And we are still very early in this how will it even work phase. So it will eventually converge, and we will also figure out whole different ways how to work with those things.